Today on What It Looks Like Homemade, we're going to make some stuffed cranberry turkey and dressing meatballs. It is going to be fantastic. So let's get to it. We have 1 cup of dressing. We have 3 ounces of turkey meat already cut up. We have 1/3 cup of milk, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, and some homemade cranberry sauce. Now, if you don't know how to make homemade cranberry sauce, I'll post a link to how to do that right here. It is the best way to go. Okay, so we're gonna put in our 1 cup of turkey dressing, add in our 3 ounces of meat. Break that apart a little bit. Add in our 1/3 cup of milk. And then we're gonna crack open our 1 egg. And finally, our 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna mix this all in. So your dressing is gonna be a little stiff because it was in the refrigerator, because this is leftover. This is what you can do with leftover turkey and dressing. Make it into this wonderful meal here. You have to make sure you get it stirred up nice and good. Then once you're done stirring everything up, get it mixed in well, you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Okay, so now that our turkey and dressing has been sitting in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, it's time to make our meatballs. So what you're gonna do is take a small amount of the turkey mixture here, put it in your hand. Then you're gonna take some cranberry sauce, and just put some right there in the middle. Move it over there like that. Just like that. Then you're gonna take a little bit more of the turkey and dressing, you're gonna put it on top here, and you're gonna form it into a ball. Just like that. Just like that. That first one's done. Then I go ahead and make the rest of them right now. We're going to add in some canola oil to our saucepan here. And pour quite a bit in there so that it can deep fry it, which is what we want to do. That's good. All right, let that heat up. We want the temperature to get to about 350 degrees in the oil. That really helps it to cook better when it first starts out. It won't break apart. Once your grease has reached the optimal temperature, which should be about 350 degrees, it's time to go ahead and add in our meatballs here. Let's start with this one. That added in there. Do the next one. And keep going. Then we're gonna let these cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until we see that they are nice and golden brown. Okay, I think we are done. Man, they smell wonderful. Let's take these out. Sit them on top of our rack here so they can drain out. Ooh. Let's try it out. Oh man. Oh, superb. I mean, it is everything you can imagine, all in a little meatball. It is delicious. Oh, it's good.